Top floor of a 4-star hotel with 2 bad ratchet bitches that I know well. Girl on girl, don't ask, don't tell. And if they do, oh well. It is what it is, do your thing, baby. And when you done, come and kick it with a cane, baby. You can roll one up, but I don't really do this often. Anywhere you put me, best believe I'm gon' be bossin'. Ain't really into flossin', I'm just a Jordan rockin'. Woke up in a brand new coffin. She on the way cause she popped a dope it. She love the deep, that's why she callin'. See, my life right now is fucking awesome. I said my life right now was fucking awesome. But that's probably cause I'm finally chasing dreams. Just a youngin' tryna make it for the team. Fuck you mean? Came from the bottom, now I'm checked up. Bitches faking, niggas hating cause I'm next up. I got them ratchet girls screaming. I got them ratchet girls screaming. Came from the bottom, now I'm checked up. Bitches faking, niggas hating cause I'm next up. I got them ratchet girls screaming. I got them ratchet girls screaming. Putting on for that A-time. 2's up, A's down. Y'all niggas straight squares. Really wish y'all would stop playing around. Bad chick, long hair, down the ride, fly shit. I don't love these hoes, I don't cuff these hoes. You ain't down to go. Bye, bitch, that's trill as it get, real as it get. Fuck anyone who don't like it. Niggas, they swear they the best of the best. They be blessed to be known as my sidekick. And that's probably cause I never gave a fuck. Just a young nigga, man, you know what's up. Hey, what's up? Came from the bottom, now I'm checked up. Bitches faking, niggas hating cause I'm next up. I got them ratchet girls screaming. I got them ratchet girls screaming. Came from the bottom, now I'm checked up. Bitches faking, niggas hating cause I'm next up. I got them ratchet girls screaming. I got them ratchet girls